Hey guys, it's RC Legit. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a Dogbone or remove. This is kind of a hard procedure. If you guys did watch my switching for... Never mind, I'm not going to upload that. Never mind, don't... I get this part out. I'm going to show you guys how to install one of those. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy or get informed. Oh yeah, by the way, this is for the Dominus 10TR. So, yeah. This part takes the longest. Well, not really. There's a screw part. So. Edit this part out. There we go. Okay, we're back. First of all, you need your Phillips screwdriver and your flathead. I don't know. Then I'm going to take off the top of it that I need the Dogbone on. So, stock Dominus tires. Then there will be this little nut on here that spins. Put this right here. There's this nut, and take this off. And then there will be a pin. Come on, come on. Are you ever gonna come on? So come off. It's got a this on the back. Make sure that you take the pin in here. Right there, little pin, little tiny pin. Take this. This is just how I store them. I put the pin. That one. Okay, I take the pin and I put it inside the nut, just like so. And then I never really lose it. And I put that aside for now. Then we're going to undo a screw. I'm just gonna leave it like this right here, and I'll just move it around, and you guys can hear my voice. So we're going to undo a screw right here, but this is kind of a tricky screw right here. This screw right here. This is kind of a tricky screw because after a while it doesn't grab, because the teeth, they only go so far. They only go about a centimeter or so down the thing, and then it's just smooth and flat. So you need the flathead to push it out. So first of all, here, like this, you get the screw undone first. And then you can see how it's not coming out anymore. So now I grab this, and I put this in here, behind it, and then you just kind of pull it. You don't even have to twist, you can just kind of wiggle it, like this. Just kind of wiggle, and it comes out pretty quick. So, after a while, they should come on out, and you need to take a part out. Not good enough. Sorry if this is really quiet and boring. I'm just trying to get this undone, and it's kind of hard. But once you have it, you should be good. Sorry. Okay. I think, no, it should come out a little bit more. But we should be just about done with this screw. I've already done the other side, so it's just going to be this side that I'm doing. But it's just it's the exact same on the other side. Okay. So then we take in here, over here, grab some just some pliers, and there's going to be a little piece right. Sorry, right in here. It's right there. Should just pull out. There it is. Okay. So I just pulled it out. I don't know how I got that, but pull this out. Sit it down next to your parts so they have like a nice, neat little pile. Then, since that was kind of hard to pull off, I know that the screw isn't all the way through. I don't know how far it is through though. Okay, I see it. Okay. You're good. See, and then this piece should just come on out. This piece, it kind of looks like a wing. And then you should push this forward. Oh, wait, the screw needs to come all the way up. I just remembered. So. This is the hardest part. Don't want to show that. I just need to fix this bumper before I just. Come on. Oh, I can just push it up. I'm gonna grab the pliers and wiggle this out the rest of the way. Get it all the way through. There it comes out. There it is. Okay. So, this is our screw. And like I said, I'm gonna grab some pliers so my hands are in the way. So like I said, it kind of has teeth until a certain point. Kind of see where the teeth are. And then it's just smooth. And that kind of gets it so it can grip and hold on to parts. So I can hold parts together as well as gripping. And it can just hold parts together like a regular screw. So after that, this piece should come undone. And you can move this piece down. Get your dog bone. Put it in one side. Put it in the other holder. And then your screw. And you can push it through most of the way. Grab and then you should be able to push the screw the rest of the way through. So, until the teeth. There, see? Perfect. It's just out as much as it did until the teeth come out. Oh, crap. Edit this out, Jackson. Come on, I said, oh, crap. So then you can, yeah, like I said, you can push it all the way through. I pulled it back out so that you guys could see a little bit better. I'm gonna angle it. And you can, if I can find the right spot, you can get it all the way through with your thumb. Except I'm not using my thumb just to, never mind. Okay, I'm not gonna use my thumb. I am going to use my thumb, so. Crap, I moved the camera. But yeah, you see it's pretty easy, and then after that you should be able to just put and then you have it. Screws back in, dog bones in. You've changed the big light right there. Okay, now you can get your tire and put it back on. But you guys should know how to do that. Just, oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh, yeah, I forgot I should put this back in. That's not good that I'm forgetting things. Okay, so you just push this forward like that, and you should just be able to pop it back in. Boom. See, just like that. So it's in there. Good. I'm gonna erase it sometime. I gotta show you how to put this thing back on if you don't know how. So, crap, I need to, oh gosh, I almost fell off my chair. Okay, so to put the wheel back on, grab the pin. There should be a little hole. You guys can't see it, there's a little hole. And the pin goes right through that. Come on, pick it up. This thing's super hard to pick up. Do that, or I just have big fingers. Okay, so there we go. Once it's in, you want to get about halfway. Once you want to get it in about halfway, and then you put this thing back on. It should fit on, just on there. Then you grab your tire, and it should. You can see there's kind of a, what is that? That's a hexagon, right? Yeah, hexagon. Okay. There's a hexagon on there, and then you just kind of match it up, and it should fit on there perfectly, like just like that. Then you put your nut back in, which is fairly easy.